This weekend can be a very stressful time for your dog. Here's some tips on how to deal with it. So one of the things that I like to do when there's a war going on outside, i.e. fireworks, is to do some training with your dog, because that keeps their mind off of what is going on outside. Come. So I just sit. I just do various training moves. Sit. Down. Good. Get down. All right, this is called a thunder shirt. So you can get them online, any pet store. And what this does is it snugs your dog, makes your dog feel real tight. And this little one, you really like the thunder vest, don't you? So any thunderstorms is what they're used for, but I also use it during the 4th of July. So I just put this on and wrap her up. This is how you make it tight. Pull this down and wrap that up. It's like when you swaddle a baby with the blanket, you know, that soothes them. Oh, yes.